Morning folks, it's Tim from Anglia again. Just a bit more update on the little Morris. I went to drive it out this morning to do some more work on it, and unfortunately the gearbox is now jammed in gear. Got no gears except for one forward gear, so now I have to pull it apart and see if I can unjam it with something and then move forward and do some more work. But this is the joys of buying and owning old cars. Things just happen.
There's dirt on my hands, strong like a tree. There's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon.
As you saw earlier, the Morris Minor gearbox jammed in third gear. I spent hours and hours trying to get it out of gear, and I couldn't. I was totally frustrated at it, and to be honest, I just wanted to light it on fire and push it out on the road and watch it burn. That's how frustrated I was with the bloody thing. But I did find another gearbox, so now I'm happy again. I fitted it into the car, it all went in nicely. I've done a road test on the car, meaning just I started up, went through the gears, it's working really great. So that is finally done. It was something I didn't want to do, but that's just what happens when we work on old stuff. It just, stuff happens. So what we need to do next is the brakes. So I need to rebuild the calipers, probably should change the rear wheel cylinders, possibly the master cylinder, because last time I drove it, it was really frightening to drive. I didn't think it was going to stop.
To the very end. Many men try to reach it. Many men have failed. Well, if you wanna get to heaven, you gotta raise a little hell. And I've been running from the law. Hope they won't.
So the final thing we need to do to the Morris Minor is do a real good clean and tidy up of the car. So clean up the paint, clean the windows, fit all the molds and bits and pieces which are laying in various places of the car, some bits in the boot, bits in the floor. Get inside the car, give it a good clean, give it a good vacuum, and basically it's all finished and complete.
Will you find me?
Hey guys, it's Tim from Anglia's. The shitbox.
Yeah, tell me about it, but tell me that you didn't put petrol on it and burn it at a light and push it onto the road.